Drop makeup remover on cotton pads. Remove makeups on face and neck. Operate for 3 minutes. Clean the face and neck with face wash, 2 minutes. Apply toner. Apply the Ease Crystal Base Mask on the face evenly. And use cold spray for 10 minutes. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply the repair essence on the whole face evenly. Cold hammer to repair and calm skin. The cold hammer can calm skin, relieve the sensitivity, shrink pores, and improve the absorption of the skin. Set energy parameter. Set the time to 15 minutes. Set energy to 7. Set mode to A mode. Tap Start. There are 2 functions to select. A is the cold hammer. It is suitable for any skin type. It is for the sensitive skin and those with large pores. B is the hot hammer. It is suitable for the normal skin. It is for accelerating the nutrient absorption of the skin. Please note, adjust energy level according to one's feeling. The technique is moving in circles upwards from the chin to the earlobe. From the mouth corner to the ear gate. From the nose wing to the temple. Operate for 3 times. Move slowly from the chin to the earlobe. From the mouth corner to the ear gate. From the nose wing to the temple, back and forwards, one line next to another. Operate for 3 times. Move in circles at the nose for 3 to 5 times. Do the same to the other side. Move in small circles from the forehead to the hairline for 3 times. Move from the forehead to the hairline, back and forth, one line next to another. Operate for 3 times. Apply the facial mask and LED photon. LED photon can activate the cells, tighten skin, shrink pores. The green LED can calm and relax the skin, increase the immunity of the skin. Set energy parameter. Set the time to 15 minutes. Set bio energy to 4. Set bio mode to A mode. Set LED to the green LED. Set LED photon to keep on mode. Start. There are 4 modes for bio. A mode is the infusion mode, which is suitable for infusion and absorption. B mode is the tightening mode, which is suitable for loose skin and fine lines. C mode is the lifting mode, which is suitable for refined contour and prevent skin sagging. D mode is the rejuvenation mode, which is suitable for coarse skin, wrinkles, and pigmentation. Please note, adjust the bioenergy level according to one's feeling. The bio and LED photon can be used separately or used together. Operate at the whole face with the stamp technique. Please note, please inform the customer the filling of LED photon before the operation to avoid any shock from the customer. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply toner and care the skin.